my goodness, is that scary? Oh my goodness, is that scary? I'm sorry. You needed a little light. Ah, sorry boys. I'm not scaring you. Did I scare you with the light? Aw, poor babies. Poor Oliver. What you doing, Dutch? What you doing? You want more yogis, huh? You want more yogis? Where you going? Where you going? You're so silly. What are you doing, Oliver, huh? Silly boys. Silly boys. Oh, sorry. What? What? Let's put some honey drops. Say hi, Dodger. And Oliver.